Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. On the Link chart, we are also dealing with a bit of a pullback at the moment. So I'm going to zoom in a minute and we take a look at the micro price action. Looking at the bigger picture, as you might remember from previous videos, one more low is still very likely on this chart until we can see a first 5-wave move to the upside. However, we haven't seen a 5-wave move up yet, and Link hasn't even made a higher high yet. So it is still possible that we form one more low. If one more low forms, that means another low below the July lows. So the price formed a local low at around $11.05 here around the 5th of July, right? So any break below this low will mean that probably the $10.66 level will be tested next, maybe $10.32, maybe $8.90. These are the next ones that are relevant. At the moment, if we say, okay, possible wave 1 to the upside, possible wave 2 to the downside on the larger time frame, as long as we are, even with another low, it doesn't matter so much, even if we form another low, the $6.89 level is key support. So as long as we don't break below that level, the overall bullish thesis can be upheld. Yeah, this is key because any break below the 78.6 FIB level, it will be too deep, too low for a reliable wave 2. But as long as we are not breaking below it, I mean, the price still has a lot of space. And we've been going down, but in a very corrective manner. So I personally find this at the moment one of the most, let's say, one of the strongest charts. Yeah, not necessarily that you know, it didn't go up like the meme coins, you know, but again, most of them have corrected like 70%. No, it's actually holding quite well. Okay, we have a nice 5-wave move up and a corrective pullback at the moment. But of course, you know, we need certain structures in order to confirm that we've bottomed. It is possible that Link bottomed here on the 5th of July. But again, I need a 5-wave move up. At the moment, this is a corrective 3-wave rally. And the best interpretation I can offer you, so it's either a B wave of sorts, so a corrective move up. And we're now moving down in wave C. Again, possibly targeting that sort of $10 area. Or we are in the yellow count. And the yellow count is the same that I mentioned to you yesterday already. Well, it's one of the options. I highlighted to you that, well, there was a very direct move up, but I highlighted that the move to the upside would need to happen immediately. Well, it didn't. So the support region, however, that I showed you, that is unchanged. It's still between $12.36 and $13.16. It's based on the idea that we could be in the midst of a third wave of a diagonal pattern to the upside. This is not clearly bullish, but it's the only bullish pathway I really see here. Yeah, there might be another one, but I find that even more questionable. For example, I could put the wave 2 here, but it wouldn't make a great difference. It wouldn't change anything, to be honest. Okay, wouldn't really change anything. It would also be a diagonal then. The idea is that this here was a wave 1, wave 2, then an A wave up in wave 3, B wave pullback in wave 3. Support area was already mentioned, and only as long as we're holding that 12.36 level, a C wave rally could happen, and then a wave 4 and 5. But I really need the third wave get minimally to $15.20, better higher, maybe $15.88 or even $16.38. And then the 5th wave would need to go even higher, maybe $17, $18.29. Essentially, as long as I don't have a 3-wave move up, and I don't, I can't really, well, no, I should say it differently. So until the third wave fulfills minimum requirements in terms of Fibonacci targets, until that's the case, I can't call the third wave complete. Now, this is either there for the white B wave top, but we need a break below support to confirm it, or we're working still on a third wave. We cannot have, well, I shouldn't say we can't, but we most likely haven't completed the third. Some people might put the third here and say this is now a 4th wave, but the third wave is too shallow to be reliable. So in other words, it's just too weak. So that means we can watch the micro support region here between 12.36 and 13.16 to see if a C wave rally from there can unfold. And then, yeah, we are watching for the next upside FIB levels, 15.88, 16.38, to complete a possible third wave. Bear in mind, there is some structural support here in that region around $14.75 as well. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.